What is up, guys? It's your boy YouTube Jared 333. Like, subscribe, and share, boy. Coming to you live with another episode. Basically, I got this in the mail today. Guess what it is? I'm probably gonna put it in the title, but we're gonna leave it as a question mark, and then you guys guess what it is. Let's check it out. I'm gonna use the scissors up here. Alright, let's see. Oh, maybe not. Maybe I will. I think I got it. Man, boy. You know what it is. And there's something else in here. I guess that's the work order. Yeah, this is the rest of this in here. Nothing. So guess what it is? It's a scale, digital scale for grams. You say, Jared, how come you got a digital scale? You sell drugs or what? Nah, man. Nah, ain't nothing like that, fool. No, this is for, oh, check it out. This thing is glittery. Like, it actually looks pretty cool. Anyways, let's open this thing up. And this is basically for the jewelry, For the jewelry. See, gram accuracy 1.01, 600 gram maximum. Includes 2 AAA batteries. I have a lot of AAA in case I needed some, but it got some in there, you know what I'm saying? Alright, I see you. They got it there like a video game, man. Real nice and packed. Alright, we'll leave that one right there. Look at all that crap over there, man. Too much crap. AWS right here, boy. Some instructions. There's some instruction stuff. So I'm pretty sure I don't need instructions, but we'll just hold it for a minute. Let's see what kind of goodies we got here. You gotta press this button. Yeah, this side, it opens from this side, so. Bam. Bling, bling. So, let's turn it on. Is it on? Maybe not. It says, place container on a platform. Press the mode. Place items and wait. Please turn on or off key power. Make sure. Right. So it's got basically instructions on here already. So quick. So you guys, you gotta lay it on a flat surface, and we got some weight over here. So you press this button, and see it says grams right there, and it has a blue screen too, so that's pretty cool.
Ryan got a notice for child support.
So we got on grams.
$3,000.
Oh, 31 grams. Oh. That's cool. And then just turn it off. Oh, see, we didn't set it up right. Let it set it up. See, it's at 0. 31.1, son. Get money. Boom.
Oh, it has to be the same picture in front of that.
All right, like, subscribe, and share.